Welcome to CIO Horizon 2026 in association with Tenable. We are live from Lucknow and today we are joined by Bhushan sir from Econz. So how are you, sir?
I'm good. Yeah, thanks.
So as many organizations have successfully migrated to the cloud, but the focus has now shifted towards maximizing business value from cloud investments. So what strategies should CIOs prioritize to ensure their cloud transformation initiatives continue delivering measurable outcomes?
Okay. See, in nowadays, yes, companies are moving from on-prem to cloud, but the major thing is on the security. And when it comes to the measurable impact or anything towards like the journey towards the cloud or how it impacts the business, the first and foremost thing is governance and the security part. If let's say if I move also towards the cloud, whether it is a sustainable movement or it is just like a for the time being movement. So as a CIO, it always been in my mind stating that how it will be beneficial from the cost standpoint of view and how it impacts in my business, because everyone is talking about the cost, but when it comes to the cost there are three factors: must to have, good to have, and not to have. So we need to factor those things accordingly, that whether it is really must to have feature or must to have thing for my organization, is it a good to have or not to have. Then actually you can work on the cost and you'll enjoy the benefit of cost. Second thing is nowadays everyone is talking about the AI. So when it comes to the AI, like we saw that journey, right, from where earlier people used to macros, it's doing the anyway the process automation, or the whenever you are doing the repetitive task, it will convert into the some automation and the things will be better. Then era start for the automation for anywhere, and that was like an API call and all those things. But now from last 3-4 years people are talking on the AI, and nowadays I think from 1 year down the line people are talking about the agentic AI. So difference is very thin line difference. Okay, you first need to understand that when it comes to the AI, I always say that there are two things. One is the generative AI, which generate the content, and it might or it might not helpful your organization. But taking the action on top of the generated data, that makes sense when you are talking about the agentic. And agent will only work if you have the structured data in place in the backend. That's why I always say that if your process is automated, if your process is well organized, definitely you can scale with the AI and with the responsibility. So that's the whole idea of the CIO.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Stay tuned for more.